How to download GTA Vice City in laptop on Windows 11. So if you want to download the GTA Vice City in your laptop on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first, the first step is to launch your Steam. So open up your Steam. Once you open your Steam, now search for the Grand Theft Auto Vice City, which is GTA Vice City. So go for the search and then search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. You need to click on the search and here you will have your GTA Vice City, right? So if you want to download this, then what you need to do is, so here you can see that this game may contain content not appropriate for all ages or will not be appropriate for viewing at work. So you need to simply enter your birth date to continue. So enter your date of birth and once you enter, click on view page. Once you click on view page, it will take you to this kind of page where you need to scroll down and go for add to cart. So in order for you to install the GTA Vice City, you need to have this amount. So you need to have minimum $50 in your account to buy that game. You can choose a reason and then you can click on continue shopping, and once you click on continue shopping, you can pay for the game and then you can install the game. So you need to click on package info and you will have all of the features or something about the game. So if you want to buy, simply click on cart and then you need to click on continue shopping to shop the application. So that's how you can have GTA Vice City, or that's how you can download the GTA Vice City in your Windows 11 PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.